Alright, what's going on, y'all? Mr. Hustlehard back with y'all, man. And shoot, I'm back messing with this Dodge because it keep giving the evaporative system a leak. Basically, it's saying it's sucking too much air somewhere. And I ended up finding the culprit. Yeah, y'all had to pull the intake back off this thing, but it's EGR tube. The gasket that goes on the EGR valve, it was busted up and all glued together. That was right here. And then this piece has a little grommet that goes right here. Um, Other than that, y'all, shit. That's, yeah. I sent my client to go get the parts, and yeah, I put all this back together. You know what I'm saying? About about 10 minutes, whatnot. But all right, y'all, getting it in.